would just like to thank everybody, including my friends on Facebook, all my followers, subscribers, of course, all my family, and especially all my clients for supporting me, and I would not be here without you guys. So thank you so much, and I really appreciate the continued support and patronage on the classified systems. I can't thank you enough, guys.
Thank you, EK, for supporting this build. We really appreciate
If
it.
you like this video, please click the thumbs up button.
Click the bell icon if you want to be notified when new video is uploaded.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you!
Thank you, guys.
Hindi ka nagsalita ng don't forget to subscribe
Dapat
to this
magsasabi ka ng
channel.
don't
Sabi ko.
Ito na yun! Ba yan? Kaya ako eh.
Take two
Tama na
na.
yun! just finished the tube layout. Also the last tube that I made. This is a 5 bend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's seldom that I do 5 bends. I've only done, I think, 2 on my old builds. This is the only time that I made 5 bends, because it's very difficult. Just doing 3 bends or 4 is fine, or 3, but 5 bend is very difficult. My first try on this, I made the mistake on my measurements going on the 4th bend. Yeah, and also I tried to fix it, but so I did another, but now it's fine. The only issue I had is this is only 1,000mm length tube. I think there's no tube that is longer than this. So yeah, so if you can see, I had to use a adapter fitting, like it's a male to female, just so that the tube would reach the compression fitting. Okay, because it's too short. So also I had done the same on the lower part, the inlet, so that this would be, you know, the same. Okay, and then I made extensions, so both of them would, you know, have the same length. So, but it's fine. The difficult thing on this one is connecting the 2 radiators, because it's a tight fit. You know, I had to use many kinds of fittings. That was the difficult part, and also connecting the radiator to the reservoir. You know, because as you can see, I've used lots of kinds of fittings here, just so that this two would connect. It's a tight fit, but I managed to pull it off. Okay, so now I'm just gonna paint some of the parts, like for example the reservoir and the mini drain valve, and some, you know, the T-fitting, some of the T-fittings, because there's no color white available for those. And I would include the EK slim radiators. Okay, but now it's very difficult for me to do that because it's been raining for a week. I'm not sure when I could paint it. So yeah, hopefully the rain stops and I could continue with the build. I'll just remove this, all of this again, because I'm gonna be doing the cable management and some installations of the SSD, etc. So okay, hopefully the rain stops and I could go forward with the build. Also, I tried to use less tubing because of this case is very it's big when you look at it on pictures, but you know, when you install your parts, you know, there's not too much space to do anything. So I tried. This is my 100 build. I wanted to do a special loop layout, but you know, it limits me because there's none too much to work with. But I think this 3 tubes looks good to me. So
a few moments later.
the build is almost done. already installed the angled aluminum covers for the LED strips, like this one. This covers the side of the LED strips, okay, and also on the top. I don't know if you could see, yeah, and put out an acrylic underneath the PSC cover, and also here, so that it would cover most of the cables going to the motherboard. Much cleaner to look at that way. So yeah, okay, now I'll just install the tubes.